Hello everyone, it's Katsuha. Welcome back to my channel. Look at this. I got a new toy karaoke machine. 残酷な天使の手 Alright, so today I am no Japanese teacher. MC Kazuha. Anyway, when you were a kid, did you take any class, like a special class, like swimming class, art, language, Boy Scout, something like that? Or are you taking any class right now? Me, when I was a kid, my mom let me do swimming class, piano class, and singing class, and also kind of Girl Scout class. So I hated singing class. I hate it. So every Tuesday, I hate it. But now I can still swim like a fish. Thank you so much for my mom. Thank you. Anyway, today let's talk about classes. Okay, everyone, so please read my lips. Okay? And try to copy me. Alright, so how do you say class in Japanese? Same. クラス How about lesson? Same. Lesson. OK, では次行きましょう。Yoga. So if you want to say yoga lesson or yoga class, yoga kurasu or yoga lesson. Okay, 次。スイミング。次。アート。次。ピアノ。ダンス。次。I wanna take this one. クッキング。すいません。クッキング。次。クモン。Did you know Kumon is from Japan? Mr. Kumon established. Did you know that? 次。バレー。How do you say this one? Ballet. So different pitch. So if you haven't watched pitch accent video, watch this. This one is ballet. Be careful. 次。フラワーアレンジメント。 フラワーアレンジメント。次。ボーイスカウト。ボーイスカウト。ボーイスカウト。ガールスカウト。ガールスカウト。ガールスカウト。次。ズンバ。ズンバ。ズンバ。次。This is not class, but still. エクササイズ。エクササイズ。エクササイズ。So where do you do exercise? Exercising. ジム。ジム。ジム。テコンドー。テコンドー。テコンドー。Alright, so how was today's lesson with MC Kazuha? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So after this quarantine, I'd like to take cooking クラス、アートクラス、also フラワーアレンジメント、also I want to be stronger. テコンドー everything. Anyway, so now let's talk about next lesson. So next lesson, I'm going to talk about phrases. Japanese people don't use I love you. Have a good day. And how are you? What? I have never said I love you to my parents. It's impossible. I know. I'm going to explain about it, so don't miss it. Okay? Alright, so for the next, wait for the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to karaoke time because I got a new machine. またねー。